Hi friends, welcome to Symphony FinTech. Symphony has launched XTS REST API. Now, using REST API, you can connect any third-party application to XTS. XTS is a OMS and RMS. It has web, mobile, and EXE platform. This is trading feature diagram. XTS OMS and RMS will be hosted at our partner brokers like Composite, 5paisa, India Infoline, Nirmal Bang, and many more brokers we have already hosted. XTS OMS and RMS will be connected to Exchange. It has two gateways. One is manual trading gateway, another one is API gateway. Through manual trading gateway, you can access web, mobile, and EXE. Broker will provide you XTS web, mobile, EXE through manual trading gateway. You can send manual orders to your mobile app through XTS OMS, and it will send orders to Exchange, and you get the response back. Now we have launched API gateway. Using our XTS APIs, you can connect any third-party application to XTS. So you can write to any custom application and send the orders through API. It goes to Exchange and you can get response back to API. This response you can also access through our web and mobile and EXE because XTS API gateway and manual trading gateway both are connected to single OMS and RMS of XTS. So you will get same response through API as well as web mobile EXE. This is the API portal. This web page we are hosting at all the brokers, all our partner brokers. Here you can click on this trading API. It will redirect to our website. Here you can access our trading API documentation. This is Symphony's website, symphonyfintech.com. This document you can also access through our portal. Go to product API and developers knowledge center. And we have launched market data API. So you can access from here. If you click on market data API, it will redirect to our website. Let's explore this page. We have two types of API, trading API and market data API. To connect any third-party application to Symphony's XTS app, OMS and RMS, or send any orders from any third-party application, you have to create XTS API key and secret key. So for that, you have to sign up for our developer portal from here, and you have to create user ID and password. Any non-developers can also get user ID and password, and they can create API key and secret key, and they can hire any developer or they can use these API keys to access Tradetron, Contour or Algoji, these kind of fintech companies. So many fintech companies already connected with XTS. So you can using our XTS API key and secret key, you can send the orders through XTS. Like Tradetron is a algo trading application, Contour, Fox Trader, Algoji, Spider, Arctech, Algoracy, Arthachitra, many fintech companies already connected with Symphony. So you have to create the API key and secret key and go to subscribe for their product, and you can send the orders from these applications to XTS. If you are a fintech company, please contact to us so we can give our XTS APIs and you can connect your application to XTS so your users can send orders using your application to broker. You can mail us info@symphonyfintech.com for any more information. To create API key and secret key, you have to click on sign up for developer portal, or you can sign up from here. You can sign up from here. When you click on this sign up, it will redirect you to developer portal. This is the developer portal. Here you have to mention some basic information like first name, last name, email ID, and phone number. These things you have to provide. After that, you have to provide your user ID. This user ID should be your broker's user ID. Like for example, you have an account with our one of the partner broker like Composite. They will provide you their own link for API registration. Here you have to mention Composite Edge given user ID. If you are going with the IFL, then IFL given user ID you have to mention here. Uh, for example, in my case, I have a user ID called Peter, and I have put one password here. Actually, this user ID is my web and mobile app user ID. When I use a web and mobile app of XTS, I use this user ID at my broker. That same user ID I have to mention here. And I have to type captcha here and sign up. When you sign up, system will send one verification mail to you. You have to verify your email ID. So I received a verification mail here. Click on the verification link. Now my mail ID is verified. Now I can log in from here to XTS developer portal. My user ID is Peter, which as broker has given this user ID, and I have created now from create an account, or I can say from here sign up. I will put my password. I logged into developer portal. So we have given some literature here. What is API base API and what is API key? You have to create API key and API secret key from this portal. Click on create new application. It will ask you to verify or validate your trading ID. Here broker name will appear, like if you are using Composite Edge broker, then Composite Edge or IFL, Nirmal Bang, or any our partner brokers name will appear. You have to give your broker's user ID. Like in my case, I have a user ID called Peter. This user ID is given by my broker for trading purpose, and I use this user ID in my web and mobile application to send the orders. And I have to put the password which I use for trading purpose in my web and mobile. Yes, my trading ID validated successfully. Now I can create my API key and secret key. When you log into our portal, you will get some like free trial here. This may be 1 month free trial, then interactive API. This is a trading API, and this is the market data API. Here it is mentioned as 2000 rupees. It will be different for different broker. The broker will decide what price they want to give, and some broker may give you free of cost. Here we have mentioned as a 2000 for market data API. Using this interactive API or trading API, you can connect Tradetron, Contour, Algoji, Arctech, custom applications, etc. to send the orders. We have given small literature here. Using this market data API, you can access some real-time market data. This is required for Contour. As of now, Contour is our fintech company partner. For their purpose, this is required. Contour purpose, you have to subscribe for interactive and market data both. But in case of Tradetron or Algoji, you no need to subscribe for market data. You have to subscribe only trading API. For Arctech, you may subscribe for trading API and market data API. Let me subscribe for interactive API. I clicked on subscribe. Here I have to give some name. I want to trade with Tron, or if I want to use this app for Contour, then I have to mention as a Contour here. I have to mention. So let me use for TradeTron and application description using API for TradeTron. Yeah, here I can put some logos. I'm not interested to put any logo here, and I have to give some basic information. I'm not interested. This is not compulsory to give any basic information. If you have any company's URL, you can put here, or company name and company URL can be mentioned here. Create app. New as app has created successfully. TradeTron new app has created successfully. This app I will use for TradeTron login. So you can see this secret key. This is this is the API key, and here it is the secret key. If I click on this secret key, please check email for secret key. Means system has sent one mail to you for secret key. So I will go to my mail ID. So I can see like one is welcome to XTS API developers. Here my user ID and password they have mentioned, and my ID is created. Welcome to, here it has given as a Anugrah stockbroker. So any means the specific broker will send this mail, and if I go to the create application has created for TradeTron, and I have received API key here and secret key. This API key and secret key I have to put in, like I have to use this API and key and secret key to send the orders to Contour or TradeTron or any custom application. For example, if I go to the Contour or TradeTron application, this is the TradeTron application. Here I have to sign in first, and I have to mention this API key and secret key. Then I can send the orders to XTS. And we have a web portal. This is a web portal of Symphony. So that can be accessed through broker, and you can see all the orders in our XTS web, mobile and EXE. Thank you.